Students, till now we have completed the 6 lessons from your grammar chapters. Okay, now we are going to start the 7th, that is the preposition and its kinds. What is a preposition and what are the kinds? Now I am going to explain you in this video. See it carefully. Firstly, revise that what is the preposition. Okay, prepositions are the word that indicates the location or relation to an object. Okay, we get the position of thing. Okay, and by that position we get the relation of noun with the other noun, pronoun with the other noun, noun with the pronoun. Like that relation we are getting in the sentence of the position, that time it is coming as the preposition. Okay, prepositions are found before a noun or pronoun, and this preposition always comes before the noun or pronoun. Check out the 3 examples below. Now downside you can see one puppy is there and he is showing his position. In the first picture, what is the position of this puppy? The puppy is on the floor. Okay, then what is the relation of puppy and the floor? By on. Okay, and that on position, this on word goes for the preposition. Then the puppy is in the trash can. Okay, then what is the relation between the puppy and the trash can? In the trash can he is sitting, he is enjoying. That's why in is coming for the preposition. The puppy is beside the phone. There you can see one cell phone is there, and near of that cell phone you can see the puppy. Okay, then what is the relation between the phone and the puppy? He is beside, it is beside a phone. That's why the puppy is beside the phone, and this beside is the position showing word. That's why this position showing word is coming as the preposition. Get it, student? What are the prepositions? What are the position words? Which shows the location, relation to an object. Nouns with an other noun, pronoun with the other pronoun. Like that relation we are understanding with the preposition, with the location. Okay, now see the kinds of preposition. Which 3 kinds are there? Times preposition. Okay, preposition of time, preposition of place, and this place only in your textbook name is given position. Okay, place and position are the same. And next is the preposition of direction. Then what are these all 3? Then all definitions I am going to explain you in the detail. Now time preposition at, on, in, before, after. Then place, that is the position, at, on, in. Direction, to, up, over, down. Then the boy is reading under the tree. Yeah, the mouse is behind the box. The book is on the table. The sheep jumps over the gate. Now in detail we will see now all 3 kinds. First we are going to discuss about preposition of time. Now you know the time. Time is generally what we are understanding. Now, then, tomorrow, then today, yesterday, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, on Sunday, Monday. These are the time indicating words. Okay, then this time indicating words when we are showing by using the preposition, that time that preposition goes for the time. A preposition of time helps to link the noun or pronoun with a time value. It functions as an indicator as to what point of time did an event occur. Okay, now see the here prepositions signifying time. I start work at 8 o'clock. At what time? 8 o'clock. Then 8 o'clock is indicated, has shown with the one preposition, that is at. Okay, then time, for showing time we are using at. I don't work on Sundays. Then when we are saying about the days, then we use the on. When we talk about the timing, we use at. For the days we are using on. Okay, I don't work on Sundays. And for showing the month we are using in. They let's meet in April. Okay, in January, in March. Then for timing, at 9 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, at 10 o'clock. For on Sunday, on Monday, on Tuesday. And for month, in January, in February. Understood? These are the time indicating prepositions, at, on, in. Now see the many examples of the preposition of time. In 3 hours, in the past, in a moment, in a few minutes, in the future, in 2 weeks. Okay, now on my lunch break, on that day, on time, on the first day, on the last day, on weekdays. Okay, and at lunch, at that time, at the moment, at this moment, at present, at the weekend. Okay, these all indicating in, on, and at how we are using in the sentence. You got these examples, revise it again and again, means you will get the idea which words are time indicating words and which prepositions we are using to show the time. Now next is position. Okay, preposition of position, and for position I said the different word, that is the place also. Okay, position means place. Then what place is there, we will get the idea. Preposition of location are used to indicate the location or position of object. For example, on, in, under, in front of, among, between. These all comes for the location, for the position, for the place. Then now at someone's house, where it is, we are getting the answer of where. Okay, for the place we are getting the answer of where. For time we are getting the answer of when. Okay, when I complete my work at 6 o'clock, then at is coming for the time. Okay, then where I have completed my work, in my house, then my house, in my house, it is showing the place, that's why in will go for the place. Okay, for the position. Now at the corner, at reception, at the doctor's, at a conference, at home, in the water, in a dresser, in the mirror, in the classroom, in the newspaper, in a pool, on an island, on the shelf, on the phone, on a table, on television, on an island. These all words we are getting idea about the place. That's at, in, on. In the timing also at is there, in is there, on is there. For the place also at, in, on is there. You should understand, student, where we are getting the information about time and where we are getting the information about place. Okay. Now next kind is preposition of direction. Now we know the directions. Which directions are there? East, west, north, south. Like that we show the direction by using different words also, like up, down, above, below, yeah, next to, under. These all words go for the direction. Are used to show direction of movement to and from a fixed point. To, from, into, along, over, through, across and around. See the example now. Into the box, where this rat is going, into the box, inside. That's why into is coming for the direction. Okay, out of the box, and these all directions have shown by the arrow only. Okay, means point out indirectly. Whenever we point out the place of anything, it will go for the direction. Okay, out of the box, around the box, away from the box, towards the box, past the box, onto the box, off the box, over the box, under the wall, through the pipe, across the bridge, up the stairs, down the stairs, then into, out of, around, away, towards, past, on, off, over, under, through, across, up, down. These all are going under the preposition of direction. To see some more kinds about the prepositions. You know that prepositions are the word which are used to connect the different nouns, pronouns and phrases in a sentence. Now there are some more types are there, which is the first one, simple preposition. Simple preposition means till now which are prepositions you have seen. Preposition of time, direction. Okay, those all will come into the simple preposition. These prepositions are constructed by only one word. Only which word is coming? How many words are coming in this? Only one. Like on, at, about, with, after, for. It is coming always alone. That's why it is called as the simple preposition. Okay. Now double preposition. Now what is double preposition? These prepositions are formed by combining two words or two simple prepositions. Now in this example you can see in is different, to is different, and by using in and to we have made one extra. Okay, third one preposition, that is into. These are called the double prepositions. With, in. Okay, within. Up, on, that is upon. On to, okay. The dog jumped onto the bed and left marks upon the sheets. Okay, here onto is coming for the double preposition. Now phrase preposition. What is the phrase? Phrase is coming into the form of more than two words, more than three words, and in that what is coming? Noun is also coming, as well as pronoun is also coming, as well as preposition is coming. That's why it is called as the phrase preposition. Here some examples are there. At home. Home is the noun. Okay, and with that noun one preposition is used, at. That's why at home is coming for the phrase preposition. In time. Okay, with me, from my father, under the blanket. Now in this all you can observe that in this all preposition with that one noun is coming, or there is pronoun is coming, or there is verb is coming. That's why it is called as the phrase preposition. Now compound preposition. What is the compound preposition? These prepositions are two word prepositions. Now in the simple only one word was there. In the double, combination of two, but it's together. Okay. Now compound, it is coming two different words like according to, because of, next to, due to. Due is also preposition, to is also preposition. It is coming togetherly. He was upset because of his son's behavior. Okay. Because of. That's why this of is coming. That's why it is called as the compound preposition. Now participles are actually verbs that ends with en or ing. All are knowing these participles are what? Which comes with ing form, like considering, during, given, including. Then in the sentence, considering what he has to work with, he did a pretty good job. It is called as the participle preposition. I hope that everybody understood. In your textbook only simple phrase and compound preposition is there. Write down these three definitions, and after that you have to complete this worksheet into the notebook. What is the worksheet? You have to choose the correct preposition from the bracket. Okay, like always abide dash dash your promise, by or with. He was absolved. Okay, dash dash the blame. Offer from. Which meaning students you are not getting, go to the dictionary, find out those meaning into the dictionary. Okay, and solve it. And after solving you are going to send it to me. Okay, now everybody is going to complete it in the notebook. All definitions you are going to write down in the notebook and send me for the checking. Thank you. Take care.